Welcome to 360-degree machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Taylor 20-section clamp carrier. We did only mount 2 clamps per section, per every other section. So when it does index, obviously it's going to index on every section when we rotate it in a couple of minutes. But again, we only put clamps on every other section. Really nice and clean. This unit does feature a 102-inch width capacity. It's nice to have that 8.5-foot width capacity. Clamps have a 31-inch depth capacity. Obviously, you have your overhead pressure beam, pneumatic ratcheting. One thing that's unusual about this machine is that instead of 6 clamps per section, it has 8 for a total of 160 clamps. And that's why you see this big old pile of clamps over here. 160 clamps total. You do have 317 back plates. There's your additional hardware to hang them. Brand new pressure bar for that overhead pusher. We did scrape all the glue off, and there's no glue, there's no residue on every single one of these clamps. There's obviously a light haze on them. We were going to sandblast them, but it's very labor intensive, and honestly, by the time we ship them by truck, usually they'll get a light haze in the summertime just from the humidity in the outside, so it's kind of half a dozen one, 6 the other. They are not all rusty though. First of all, you have your overhead pressure, you have your pneumatic ratcheting. You're going to push this forward with one hand, your forward and reverse. It's 2-hand operated. It does also feature reverse, of course, so you can back up. Nice, clean, fully operational Taylor. There's no air leaks, there's 0 issues. 160 clamps, 8 per section. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.